Once you decide to use Angular for your application, the next question is how. What are the tasks required to build an Angular line of business application? As with any software project, the first step is to collect the business requirements. Those requirements define the set of application features. This process considers design issues. This is also the time to define the architecture for the application. How will the Angular application be structured? Where is the data stored? What type of back-end service is required? A big part of every web application is the user interface layout. This task defines the look and feel of the application. It includes defining the page layout, called the view, and adding some style. Luckily, the Bootstrap framework from Twitter is available to help style the application. And since most line of business applications have multiple pages, there needs to be a mechanism for navigating between those pages. In Angular, navigation is defined through a process called routing. Data is a key part of most line of business applications. This task involves writing the code to retrieve and save application data. And since most client-side web applications don't have direct access to a data source, this task includes calls to a server-side web service that fetches and updates the data. Most line of business applications require data entry forms. This task involves defining the layout for the forms, validating the form data, and submitting that form data to a server-side web service for processing and storage to a data store, such as a database. Business applications often have specialized business logic, such as calculating tax or profit margin. This task is to build custom Angular services to encapsulate the business logic for the application. That business logic can then easily be used or reused throughout the application. Management often wants features in the application to help them make operational decisions. These features are often called data visualization or data analytics. This task involves building charts to show important business analysis, such as profitability. These are the tasks we will cover in this course. We will also look at a few cross-cutting concerns that cut across these tasks. Concerns such as exception handling, unit testing, and security. You'll continue to see this diagram as we work through all of these tasks throughout this course. Now we know the answers to our 3 questions. Why use Angular? Well, we defined many reasons, including its expressiveness and modularity that lead to clean and maintainable code. What are the key factors in building a line of business application? Data is a key business resource. A line of business application needs to focus on managing, manipulating, validating, and displaying that data. And how do you build a line of business application with Angular? We identified a set of tasks required for most line of business applications. Let's conclude this introduction with a look at the prerequisites for the course and the course outline